This late in the summer, you've probably made pasta salads a bunch of different ways. Everything from basic elbow macaroni with mayo to lighter ones that use all kinds of twirly pasta tossed with Italian dressing. Those are all great, but to take things up a notch, we created a new one that I think you're gonna love. We start off by cooking some cheese tortellini according to the package directions. You wanna make sure that once it's tender, you drain it really well. While that cools, we place some imitation crab meat, or you could use the real thing, in a bowl along with some chopped roasted red peppers, a good amount of peppercorn ranch dressing, a bit of sour cream, a little salt, and some Parmesan cheese. After this is mixed, we add in the tortellini, give it a good toss, and pop it in the fridge to chill. Let me tell you, this is just as welcome for a light lunch or dinner as it is for a change of pace side dish. The dressing gives it a ton of flavor. The pasta is cheesy delicious, and the crab hearties it up. Just like always, the recipe for our Lighthouse Tortellini Salad is online now, so you can change up your next pasta salad. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pasta-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.